Where's bro? Look at that. We have to go over that.
Gotta go down there.
Bro, that tree was there, no?
Oh, it's something right here?
Yeah. How are we getting down? Oh, okay,
I'm kind of scared, low-key. We're about to die.
I'm over how you fucking.
Who goes down first?
Fall, bro. No, you go down over here. We gotta stretch, bro.
Stretch? What the
We're gonna like pull something going down there. Yo, we gotta stretch. We go to the gym. Can't do it. Can't do it.
I don't know.
Oh, sick, man. Fuck, I got Jordan.
That's tough. Oh, watch out with that fucking.
Hell no.
You gotta jump it.
Come on, bro. I'm high as fuck, I can't do this. Hey, come on, bro.
That fool's scared.
You have to go over that. Just step over it. No way.
You gotta hold his hand.
It's over. It's over. Wait, I have to record this one going across. I should have recorded, bro. Dude, it needs to hurry up. Nah, just go slow, bro.
That fool's about to eat shit.
Oh, man. Fucking Sleepy Joe, bro. After the video. I'm too after this. I'm not. Oh, shit. Nah, bro, you're crazy. I'm not doing that.
Yo, ain't just gonna let go of that shit. That's gonna swing back, bro.
Huh?
Hey! That shit gonna swing back, bro.
Oh, okay, it doesn't. Let us swing forward, bro. Wait, where are we going?
To the tunnel, bro. It's a scary tunnel.
Can't even go down. How do we get back?
Climb to the.
We climb. Wait, you can't climb over? I guess you can. That's a big fucking jump, actually. What the fuck? No, right here. I'm looking. That's a big jump.
Oh shit! Hey.
No, we can get back right now.
Oh shit!
Look at the shoe! Nah, bro, just jumping.
You gonna make it, bro. You're not gonna eat shit. It looks higher than it is.
Just help him. Hold his hand.
Hug him. Hug him, hug him.
Yeah, I got it. Grab onto the roots.
Oh shit, bro.
How'd you get up there?
It's easy.
Nah,
Grab into the roots.
you gotta get ready for PD. You just got to the roof?
Yeah. Now grab onto that, bro. Grab onto that root, bro. Hey, yo!
Oh, it's possible. I'm not fucking dying, bro. Jump, fool.
That fool's leg won't get stuck. Oh shit, what the fuck is that? Oh, full body shit.
No! They don't help me.
Oh shit.
Hey, the last one should go up, it's gonna have a pump that's like slippery.
I got boots on.
Ew,
Man.
dude. Johnny, I think.
Now Jose gonna slip, bro.
So you gotta.
Oh, that shit's full, bro. Fucking crocodile in there.
Yeah, bro.
Who's tired?
We don't have a flashlight. No way? We don't have to walk those because how deep it is pretty deep, huh? I think it's close, boys.
Oh, that shit deep.
Something starts moving in the water.
Man, you... Let's see who flips first.
No.
Yeah. Let's see who eats shit first. What's that scary? What's that struggling? That fool tripping.
Oh, there you got it.
Nah, see, you got it. Yeah.
Someone go first here.
I'm about to get killed here, bro.
Can't go home like this.
They're gonna be like, where were you?
I can't go on.
What if a fucking like stream just comes and like, wipes us out?
There's nowhere to go with it, bro.
We got the lighting. Hey, let's hotbox the tunnel.
It's brighter than fucking everything else, bro.
Oh, this shit kind of scary. They got spider. Bro, look at that. Look at the fucking wall.
There's nothing moving. Alright, let's go back then. Alright, so lead the way. What the hell did you lead the way back?
Oh shit.
Other tunnel. We're not going to do it? Just step over there. Start heading deep. Moving. You want to take pictures over there?
Pacific? Let me change my socks first, bro.
Fuck it, it's gonna dry.
No, but
Stick your toe out.
Yeah, like take
No,
your shoes
see,
off
if
and
it-
like put them in the AC.
yeah, but if it was water, like regular water,
Uh-huh.
it's fine. But it's like that's fucking sewage water, bro.
No.
That's not.
Yeah.
Really.
That's
It's just
what-
drainage.
Yeah.
It's rainwater.
It's a river.
It's rainwater.
You think they have a fucking poop river going down?
Oh no, that shit won't stink.
We would not be here, bro.
It would stink, okay? I want to change my
Yeah.
socks, bro.
These fools are putting gas. I need to get my 5-0. Once I get my 5-0, it's time, going crazy time. What the fuck is that? What the what the fuck is that? That's a fucking scooter. What the fuck? They're fucking going crazy. Funny's tint. My fucking damn, my boots are so dirty. My boots are so dirty, bro. I took on the side so you can see me. I don't trust those things. Like I'm older yet. I think over here, sorry, I'm a... I can think I'm gonna turn off the camera and then I'm gonna turn it back on when I can get better footage. Fuck, I forgot we were coming here to Pacifica. So it's nice. I'm fucking hungry. People get in the fucking water when it's really cold. That's fucking crazy. I never understand why people do it. Damn, it's fucking packed. Alberto, no way he took back Eric to change the socks. There's no way he did. And where's Jose too? There's no way he left. Oh my god. Where's everybody? Oh, he's calling me. Yo. There's a cop? I bet, yeah, I'll be slow. Alright, shit, good looks, yeah, I'm gonna go slow. Alright then. Fuck. Huh?
I wonder where they parked.
They're way behind.
Was they? Really?
Yeah. Oh, because there's a cop behind them.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, there's Alberto.
Yeah, he called me saying there's a cop behind them. Oh shit. Oh shit. Huh? Let me see the interior. Damn. This is nice. You got well. You got like the premium. Oh yeah, this is the premium. Never mind. Huh? You gotta get the 5.0. But the duckbill is so clean.
I did it one time. Huh? I did it one time. Or like maybe like park right there with that background.
This car's so clean. Jump in there.
Oh no.
Bro, this fool's about to slide off. Fucking death wish. Ooh, who's stronger? Ooh, Angel got it.
No way
Angel
you're
got
stronger
it.
than me. Are you even trying?
Ooh. Ooh.
Are you trying?
Restart, bro, because your arm's falling off.
Because it's hard.
It has to be like this right here, look. It has to be like that.
Oh, alright.
Wait, not me, though.
Hey. Let's see who's next. Oh shit. Damn, that gym is not paying off.
Hold on, bro. Let's go see how you're like this. I'm like this. Chris, you gotta get this. Or no, a little bit more this way. That way we're like.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god.
Damn. Post interview.
My body's not like. Want that revenge? Our receptors are slow.
Oh, so what are we? No, too.
Wait.
Bro. Who's kind of decide what to eat?
Bro, this is not.
Angel, what do you want, bro?
Who forgot Mexican food?
1, 2, 3, 4. What do you want, Jose?
I put Mexican.
What is tacos? Like what? Tacos?
Who wants
Secret
tortas?
Yance.
Taco Bell for Jose.
You gotta see who gets it.
No, bro. If it's IHOP, I'm not going.
Bitch. Fuck you.
Pay them fat burgers.
We're getting in and out.
And then now.
And I get two double doubles as well.
Wait, 2 double doubles is crazy.
Bro, it's protein, you know?
I want
Carbs?
fucking burger, bro. 3x3. I'm getting a 3x3 with a fucking.
I'm eating 2 hamburgers.
In and out, bro. We out. We out.
We out to In-N-Out.
They couldn't choose what to eat. We spent like 10-15 minutes deciding what to eat until we spin the wheel. We're gonna go get some In-N-Out. Look, I'm hungry. It's cold. I should've brought my jacket. Here, I'm hungry. Yeah, we just finished eating. Now I'm going back home. Hey yo, get a gun.